Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Haki Lawrence. I am the guy who programmed the spreadsheet for the LCA Register, and I just wanted to make a quick tutorial as to how to go about filling the register out on Google Sheets. Now, for those who haven't downloaded the app already, you can go to your App Store on iPhones or Google Play Store on Android, and you search for Google Sheets. Then you install it. I'll leave download links in the description. So first you have to, after you are done downloading the app, it should show up as Sheets in your apps. Okay, so you find the app Sheets, you open it up like so, and when you open it up, you would have to be sure of the account that you gave us. Make sure the account you gave us is what is on the app. Okay, by the time you're watching this video, I would have given access to all those who have filled out the questionnaire that we sent through, the one that we sent, Google Forms that you people filled. I would have given access to those who filled it out. If you haven't done so already, be sure to go and fill the Google Forms out so that I can give you access to the file. Now, if you have multiple accounts on your phone, multiple Google accounts on your phone, you have to select the image at the top left-hand side corner of the screen, like over there. And then you select the Google account you used when you were filling the Google Forms. All right, so in my case, I'm going to select my name like that, and then the register should pop up. DHA LCA Register version 9, as you see over there. So you tap on it, and then it should open up like so. This is the landing page. Now, some of you, when you open it, it might tell you that you should see a blue line rolling on the top, and it might tell you that this app is not responding. Please be patient. Just click wait and be patient for it because it is trying to download and sync. Now, when that is done, and the blue line that is usually at the top between the A, B, C, D, and the white line stops moving, you tap on the three dots on the top right hand corner here. You tap on that three dots like so, and then you should see available offline. There's a slider next to it. You turn that on. Now you should see a notification down there like it has indicated file now available offline. When you want to verify, you can just tap it again to be sure that the switch is on. What this means is that once you've done that, if you go to a place where there's even no network, you can still open the app and then still be able to fill the register without internet connection. And then when you get to a place where there is internet connection, the input will sync, and then the municipal health directorate would receive it. All right, now the facilities and sub-districts have been arranged alphabetically. So if the facilities in each sub-district has also been arranged alphabetically, that is to make it easy for you to know where your facility is. Now, to find that the facilities, you have to tap the 4 bars on the lower left over there like so, and then it should show up. Then you scroll and you choose your facility. So you need to first know which sub-district you are in. So let's scroll down all the way to the last part, which is Wellumbella sub, and then we choose, let's say, Wellumbella upper. Now when you choose Wellumbella upper, the register should pop up like so. If it is taking time, just be patient with it. It should pop up like so. The register is arranged by month. It started from January, like you see, all the way to December. But since we have already gone through some of the months, you scroll down to the month you have to fill. Now, I don't know if that would be September or October, but if it is September, you go to September right here. Now when you come here, there are some things that you have to be careful of. The parts where I've painted with color, please do not tamper with them, because that is not where you are going to fill the, you are not going to put anything there. So you just have to tap the white box where you normally write with a pen. Just tap on it, and then you should see a pop-up at the bottom that says enter text or formula by the FX. So you tap there, and then your keyboard should pop up like so. Depending on which keyboard you are using, the layout might look different from this one. Now you tap the numerical values, and then you get the numerical values like so. Then you start to input your data. So let's say you had sex and age of client. You had 2 for male between 20 to 29. You had none for 30 to 30. Now you just put 0 there. Then maybe from 40 to 59 you had like 1. And here for female you had 2 here. You had, let's say, 1 here. So whenever you input, you just go to tap the next box that you want it to go to, and then it should shift. All right. Now once you are done, you just tap the correct sign that is beside the enter text or formula like before, and it would go down. Now you'd notice that once you are done, the values would be calculated automatically. Now you'd see that for male we have 3, for female 2 we have 3, like so. So you do the same for all the other ones. You tap, you input. Then when you are done, with everything, you can simply tap the correct check mark on the upper left, like so. It's being highlighted there, and it should take you back to the facilities. Now let's say, for example, you are inputting the data and then you've made a mistake. Maybe you tampered with the green part down here that I said don't tamper with, and you want to undo that change. You simply, let's say you are in the editing, you simply have to tap the arrow back that is next to the, what do we call it, the correct check mark. You just tap the arrow back. You'd realize that when I did that, my 1 for female has disappeared, and to redo, you just tap the 1, the arrow forward next to it, and then it redos. So if you even had tampered with this, maybe you tampered with the formula here, you just tap the arrow back, and that should just fix it just fine. All right, now when you are done, you click here, and then that should do it. Now when you are done and you scroll all the way down to the bottom like so, you would get totals for your facilities. They will be automatically calculated here. So for each month that you enter, there would be values. You realize there's something on the waist circumference. I think I entered some data there earlier just to test it. That is why there's a value here at Wellamela Upper. So the CHO for Wellamela Upper, pardon me, when you get to that part, you just change the values there for me. Or I will just delete them before I share it. So that is how that is done. So if you want to go back, you can just press back on your keyboard, or the arrow that goes back here at the top. So that is how that is done. And say for instance you would want to add a comment. I don't know if it is necessary in this particular register, but for some of the data I've been filling, I see CHOs usually add comments to explain why certain figures are there. Now let's say for instance you need to add a comment to any of the data that you've inserted. Okay, so let's go back to September where we were. Yes, here. So let's say something happened here and you need to add a comment. You can just tap on the title. You tap and hold on it, or you can just tap it twice, I think. Let's give it a second. Okay, so I'm having some good. So sometimes you'd experience these things good like this. If it happens, you just have to tap wait, and that should be fine. It may freeze up for a second, but I just have to tap wait. Then you just tap on it. Then you have these options. When these options pop up, you tap on the three dots and then you see comment. Now when you see the comment, you type the comment you want to put there. What is the comment? Now you can just type not enough blah blah blah, like so, and you just press the send key and the comment will be added. Now when it gets synced across and they need to know what comment was there, they just need to tap the DHA. The Municipal Health Directorate just needs to tap the comment bar up here, and then your comment should show up like so. And when they tap on the comment, it should take them to the part where you commented. That is how it works. It makes it really easy. Now, once you are done, like I said, if it's made available offline, all your comments will not be synced just yet until you are connected to the internet. Once you are connected to the internet, it would be synced, and then the Municipal Health Directorate should receive it without you having to submit the hard copy. All right, so that is how it is. You tap the correct check mark, you go back, and then that is how it is. And if you have any difficulties, technical difficulties, I have my contact details on the info tab here. Just tap on the info, it sends you there. That is my name, my phone number. So you can just tap on the phone number and tap it on it again. You should see, you can just copy it or something, or you can just email me. This number is on WhatsApp, so be sure to do that. And also, it would really help if you guys could subscribe to the channel, such that if I make any changes to the register and I need to make a new video to train you as to how to go about the new update, I would just simply put it on the channel and you'd get a notification, and then you'd be able to go and watch it. So you subscribe and you turn the notification on, such that if that should happen, I would share link obviously, but in case you do not get the link, you'd at least get the YouTube notification, and then you'd be able to go and watch it. Thank you very much. My name is Lawrence Haki, and you have a great day.